DJI Mini SE high altitude test. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Mini SE has arrived and I am enjoying flying it. The other day, I took the DJI Mini SE up for a high altitude test. So let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to do a high altitude test with the DJI Mini SE. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and take off here.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And we are recording. Almost 100. And close to 200. Hitting 300.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
All right, well, you heard that. We're at 393 feet, so let's take it out and see what we get here. Adjust this here a little bit. There we go. Just a very slight breeze, probably maybe less than, probably about 5 to 6 miles an hour here. $900 away. $1,200. Hitting 1,400. Okay, we're going to stop here. We're going to go ahead and turn around. Well, what a great perspective from almost 400 feet up here.
Maximum flight altitude reached. Landing.
See if we can land this time without the suitable area here.
concrete, but we're good.
Question of the day. What did you think of the high altitude test with the DJI Mini SE? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.